Hello friends, it's Marvin Salcedo here with Salcedo Lawn, and the topic of today is armyworms. I'm sure many of y'all have seen on the news, or maybe you've seen them in your own yard, but these little green caterpillars that viciously eating the blades of grass in your yard. They particularly like Bermuda grass, and they will decimate a yard in a day or two. It's crazy how much they eat. They'll go through and they don't eat into the root system, but they will eat all the blade off of the stalk of grass, and they just leave a real thin stalk left, which is all that's left of the grass. And they'll go through your whole yard and then just jump and head onto your neighbor's house. So if you see armyworms, what do? Well, you need to treat it right away. And one thing that we have found that is very beneficial is Bifenthrin. And it's something that you can just spray on there. It's available at Home Depot, Tractor Supply. Most of your big box stores like that are going to carry it. And the Bifenthrin is the active ingredient. Many of them have different brand names, but you're going to want to look for that active ingredient of Bifenthrin. And it's super easy. You just go through, you're going to broadcast spray the whole yard, or everywhere where it's being effective, and you want to go outside the effective area a little bit in case they start to spread over there. And then it's taken care of. Most of your Bifenthrin is going to come in a mixture. The one that I saw over at Tractor Supply, you mix it 1 ounce per gallon of water. So it's 1 ounce of chemical per gallon of water, and it's going to help take care and kill all of those armyworms. It also is going to help kill a whole lot of various other insects. So it's super easy to use. Just please make sure that you read the label, follow the label, because those armyworms are some vicious little animals, and they, like I said, they will decimate a yard almost literally overnight. So if you have any other questions or concerns, please leave them below. I'll help you out however I can. And hey, y'all have a wonderful day.